Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing prerequisites: chemistry of life and cell structure. Focus on how macromolecules interact and why membrane gradients drive biology. Once that foundation is steady, practice active recall for 30 minutes daily. This builds retrieval pathways. Make sure to combine short readings with diagram labeling so you learn both vocabulary and spatial relationships. Don't waste time on passive review. Test yourself immediately to expose gaps and prioritize topics that break your understanding. Once done with basics, expand into systems thinking. Connect metabolism to genetics and physiology so you see cause and effect. Practice with challenging problems and spaced repetition to convert facts into usable knowledge. Make sure to draw concept maps that link enzymes to pathways and genes to traits. Visual links reveal misconceptions. Combine that with weekly virtual labs or data analysis so you learn methods and why experiments support conclusions. This trains your reasoning as much as your memory. To complete mastery, simulate real assessments. Time yourself on data interpretation and short answers to practice pacing and explanation. After each mock, review mistakes and teach weak topics aloud. Teaching forces clarity and shows why you missed something. If performance stalls, isolate the troublesome concept, simplify it to first principles, then rebuild connections incrementally. One key troubleshooting tip: when confused, reduce the problem to a single mechanism and test examples until the pattern emerges, then scale back up.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.